Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Gmail emails going to the spam folder step by step. If important emails are landing in spam, you might miss client messages, notifications, or critical updates. This full guide for 2026 will help you fix it permanently and keep your inbox clean. First, open Gmail and click the spam folder. Select emails that shouldn't be in spam and click Not Spam. Add trusted senders to your contacts. Create filters and settings, filters and blocked addresses. Never send it to spam. Check email content. Avoid all caps, too many links, or spammy words. For business domains, ensure SPFDKIM and DMARC settings are correct. Regularly review your spam folder and update filters as needed. On mobile, open the Gmail app. Spam folder. Mark emails as not spam. Add contacts and create filters on desktop if needed. And yeah, that's how to fix Gmail emails going to the spam folder step by step in 2026. If this helped you keep important messages in your inbox, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.